Friedhelm Hummel is my name. I'm a full professor at EPFL, working in the field of clinical neuroengineering and neuroscience. And we are here now actually with the lab for our lab retreat this year. The idea of the lab retreat is to have kind of intensive time for all lab members together, because we are usually at two different labs, but everybody is together and then presenting each individual research project and discuss it in detail and have enough time to discuss it in detail. And based on this discussion, to think about how we continue projects, how we finalize projects. Purpose is always to have the team together with enough intensive time to discuss our research project, but also to improve the team building for sure. Definitely the environment in Zermatt is also very, very nice and interesting, because you can easily go out, have a hike, etc. From the organizational point of view was very nice. Also the rooms not too big, like in big conference hotels. If you're only a small group, then it feels like you're a bit lost in there. So on the size here, it's perfect. I can strongly recommend to come here for smaller groups like us, what we did a lab retreat, or if you have a small company and you want to have few days here to discuss your strategies, you discuss your results, or you discuss how you want to progress. So it's an ideal place to do this here. From the environment in Zermatt anyways, but also from being here in the hotel, it's a very cozy and very good place.